How to apply A&I Coatings Tredgrip. Always read the technical data sheet found on our website before starting a project. For the effective application of Tredgrip, bring the surface back to its original state through pressure blasting or grinding. If necessary, acid etch the surface for better adhesion. If the surface is powdery or very smooth, use Tred Prime or a thin first coat of Tredgrip. Use a 15 to 20 nap roller or a brush to evenly apply one coat of Tred Prime to the surface. Allow that to dry for 30 minutes before applying your first coat of Tredgrip. To apply Tredgrip, use a roller, brush or broom depending on the desired finish. Tredgrip is a great coating for filling cracks, and when applied over older and perhaps damaged concrete, it offers excellent gap bridging capabilities. If applying with a roller, use a minimum nap length of 20 mm. Always apply one coat in one direction and then apply other coats at 90 degrees or at a right angle to the last coat to ensure effective coverage. Apply a minimum of 2 coats to the surface for sufficient coverage. For greater slip resistance, apply a third coat, and to make this coating more effective, we recommend applying with a broom for a more textured and grippy finish. Leave each coat to dry for around 2 to 4 hours before recoating and leave 72 hours before allowing foot traffic. For more information, just head to our website or call us today.